Hi, welcome to Mennonitefarmhouse. I'm Leanne, and in this video we're going to take a can of home canned peaches and make an easy peach cobbler. You don't want to miss out on this. It is so simple. You can do it after a long day of canning and your husband says, I want some peach cobbler. This is your recipe. For this recipe you'll need 1 quart of sliced peaches, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon to whatever the Lord tells you to sprinkle on top of cinnamon, and a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350. First, we're going to cut our butter into slices all around the base of our plate. Then we're going to place that into the oven and let the butter melt. So we're basically going to add our 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt into our bowl and mix. And we're going to slowly add our milk. And you want to mix it till it just comes together. You don't want to overmix this. Then we're going to slightly let the pan cool before we put the batter in. Now that our pan is slightly cooled, we're going to just spoon the batter into the pan. And try not to make a mess, but we know mess is my middle name. Then we're just going to spread the batter out a little bit to each corner evenly. Alright, let's listen for that seal. Was that perfect or what? With our Fardros lid. I poured off the juice. The directions said to use the juice. Alright, I'm going to pour off a little bit of the juice. Then we're just going to spread our peaches out. Then for added crunch, we're going to chop up about a 1/2 cup of pecans to put on top. Then we're going to sprinkle on lightly or heavy, whatever you like your cinnamon, over top. And when you sprinkle something like this, you want to go high so it sprinkles evenly. And not how I first started. Alright. Then we're going to sprinkle our pecans or pecans, however you want to say it, onto the top of the cobbler. Then we're going to place in a 350-degree oven and bake anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes, 40 minutes. And I'm going to go 45 because I thought it was a little doughy. And that was because I didn't know my oven was about to go out. And now it's working again. Piping hot. I suggest serving this up warm, hot, right out of the oven, or at least warmed up again and serving it in a bowl with some cold milk to soak up those bits of gooiness. And also you could serve this with vanilla ice cream, of course, but it is definitely a good treat to come home to.
Very good.
Thank you. So if I canned blackberries and syrup, you think it would be just as good?
Probably.
If not better?
No, it won't be better than peaches. If
you've made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for more great content. May I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless, and see you in the next video.